Good afternoon everyone. This is Rajita Devi, Government Degree College, Hayat Nagar. Today I am going to discuss about on BSc third semester data structures, and then today I am going to discuss about on data structures. These topics: operation performed on circular linked list, selection and insertion sort, and AVL tree and linked list, implementation of queues. And then one by one I discussed about on these things. First topic is operation performed on circular linked list. In this circular linked list, it means whenever before going to know about the circular linked list, what is a list and what is a linked list. List is nothing but we are inserting fields or elements. In this linked list means which is having list. We are taking an example for this list is having, we are connected with the one to another one field to another field, which is a linked list. Circular linked list means, circular linked list is a sequence of elements in which every element has link to its next element in the sequence, which is in this circular means whenever we are inserting a list, in that list we are entering our elements in a sequence order in the sequence, and the last element have a link to the first element in the sequence. In this means the circular linked list is similar to single linked list, except that the last node points to the first node in the sequence. In other definition for the linked list, this means a circular linked list is a similar linked list which is having a similar linked list, except that the last node points to the first node in the sequence. For example, I am taking one example for here. Head, having some head will be there. I am going to take an example, the following figure. In this linked list means 10 I am inserting in that. 10 is having some addressing field, and 15 will be there. 15 element is that having some address, and 20 having some address will be there. In this which is having some head will be there, that is the addressing of 1001. Both are at the 20 element in the linked list which is having linked at the last linked list. At the last element 20 will be connected to the first one, which is nothing but a single linked list. This is known about the linked list. Whenever list is a 10, that is element, and 15 is second element, and 20 is third element. The third element is the third element having some addressing, that that addressing variable to connected with the first one, which is first one. Last one is connected to the first one. This is known about circular linked list. Some operations can be done in the circular linked list. That operations in circular linked list are insertion, something known about these things. Insertion at beginning of the list, which is having some insertion. Whenever we are doing on that, insertion only can be done in beginning of the list only, insertion at the last of the list only, insertion at the specific location in the list only. This is some operations can be done in circular linked list only. And how to delete operations in circular linked list. Whenever we are doing a deletion at the beginning of the list, deletion at the last of the element, deletion at the specific location in the list only. These are whenever we are doing the any of the list in the particular list, delete at last of the list only, and then delete at specific location. Three are can be done in this operation, deletion, and then display we having in this display before implementing actual operation. Whenever we are going to implementing an actual operation, first we need to step up empty list and the perform some following steps will be there. Include all header files. You have to include all header files, all users defined functions. and node structure with two members data, and next we have whenever we are taking two members of data, that is connected with the next only, and after that you have to take a main function. These are main steps to performing the how to insertion, delete and displaying operations can be done by using these steps, including all header files, all user defined function you have to mention, and node structure with the two members data, and the next will be there and main function will be there. And after I am going to discuss about on the thing of inserting at beginning at the list only. I am inserting at the beginning only at the list. In these steps I am going to discuss about on these things. Create new node with given value. Whenever you have to create with a given value only, whenever the value is given, then only you create a new node. Check whether list is empty or not. You have to check first. After that, if the list is empty, then you have to set head is equal to some new node. That node will be in which having new node. In that node having some addressing of ampersand is a new node. That new node is linked to the next. That next having some head file. In this, if the list is not empty, whenever we check if list is not empty, then define new node pointer empty. Whenever the node pointer is temp, and then initialize with that head and keep moving the temp. Whenever we are taking the temp value to its next node, the temp having some keep moving when the list is linked to another linked list, then temp its next node until it reaches to the last node. You have to take it will be reaches to the last node. Set. After that, a new node to the next. Whenever we are taking a new node, that is to link to the next, that having the head, that head having some addressing value, that head is equal to new node. The new node will be ampersanding, that is the addressing the temp value of next, that is head will be there. This is the set of can be done these operations. And then inserting at the beginning at the list only. Whenever we are taking inserting at beginning at the list only. For example, I am taking here 3 elements will be there, 10, 15 and 20 will be there. Then I am taking inserting a list, inserting at beginning only. I am taking a beginning I am taking an element, adding an element. For an example, I am taking the following figure. 10, 15, 20 will be there. 10 is some location value, 15 some location value, 20 having some location value will be there. In this the following is some adding some element at the beginning only. Data, in that I am adding some data firstly. After that, which is having some addressing value, and 10 is as the same above the figure, 15 and will be there as above figure, and 20 having some above figure, which is linked at the last one is linked to the first one. In this I am adding some element at the beginning of the list, inserting at the end of the list. Whenever these above steps are the same, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the remains, all are same in this. In step 6, set, and whenever we are set temp, whenever we are taking temp having some next having next is equivalent to new node. Whenever new node having some addressing of new node, in that new node having some next is equal to the head value. Whenever I am taking an example for this above example, which is the same thing, 10, 15, 20 will be there. In that, inserting at the end of the list, which is in the above figure I am adding the first list, and in this figure I am adding the element at the last only. That is the difference only in between 10, 15 and 20, or you can take any other value. That is at the end I am adding the data, that is last one linked to the first one. This is a link in a circular linked list whenever we are adding at the end of the list. After that, insertion at the specific of the list. whenever in specific location I want to, whenever I am taking an example for the linked list or single linked list or circular linked list, in circular linked list in certain position, in certain specification of the list I am inserting, I want to insert. In that case steps 1 2 3 4 will be remains all are same. In step 5, keep moving the temp. Whenever moving the temp to the its next node until it reaches to the next node, which is having, you have to check until it reaches to the next node, after which we want to insert the new node. Whenever we want to new node, it will reach the new node, after which we want to insert the new node. After that, step 6, every time check whether temp is reached to the last node or not. You have to check first, it is reached last node or not. It is reached last node or not, you have to check. If it is reached then to the last node, then it displays the given node is not found in the list, insert not possible, which is which means there is a no memory, or there is overflow. Then given node is not found. Whenever you have to check that field, given node is not found in list, an insertion not possible. Whenever insertion is not possible, and terminate the function, otherwise move the temp to the next node, which is telling about on this. After that, if temp is not reached to the exact node, if the temp is not reached to the exact node, you have to check if temp is not reached to the exact node, after which we want to insert the new node, then whether it is a last node. The condition will check temp is greater than, temp is linked to the next, that next having some head value. In step 8, if the temp is not last node, then set new node is equal to temp, that is a temp having next, which is ampersand temp having next is equal to new node. This is about the insertion operation at the specific of the list. In this I am going to discuss I am going to show this showing an example for this selection insertion at the specific of the list. Whenever we are taking insertion at the specific location, in this case I am taking one example, 10 15 20 values I am taking here. In 10 value some having address and same thing, 15 having some address and 20 having, in that case in that case specific location 10 15, in between I am adding some element, that is a data, that adding some addressing value, that is a specific location we are inserting it, that is the same thing. In specific location we are adding in this case the same, remaining all the same above examples. That is a linked, last one is linked to the first one. And then next one is the deletion from the beginning of the list. How to delete from the beginning of the list? You check whether it is list is empty or not. You have to check first one, that is the condition is head is equal to null. Whenever you have to check head is equal to null only, it is only mandatory head is null. If it is empty, then display list is empty, deletion not possible, it will tell deletion is not possible, and terminate the function only. And then next, if it is not empty, then define two node pointers. You have to define two node pointers, that is temp1 and temp2, and initialize both with the head, which is having temp1 and temp2, and initialize both with head only. And the next step, check whether list is having only one node or more than one. You have to check that the condition for the temp having next value, that is equivalent to the head. In this step 5, if it is true, in this condition temp having some head, if it is true, head is equal to null, and delete the temp only. And the next step, if it is false, you have to check whenever the above condition, then move to the temple until it reaches to the last node, temp having some head value, then only. And then set head is equal to temp2 next and temp1 next having head, and delete the temp value, deleting from beginning of the list. The example here which is in this list having 10 15 20 value elements will be there. In this I am deleting an element for this, which is I am taking another element 15 in 15. At the beginning 10 will be deleted in the list. After that, deleting from the end of the list. How to delete from the end of the list? In the same thing, above algorithms are steps to be you have to follow. 1 2 3 4 5 will remain same. And step 6 only, if it is false, then set temp2 is equal to temp1 and move temp to the its next value. It's a next value. Repeat same until temp1 reaches, whenever temp1 reaches to the last node in the list, until temp is equal to next head value. In this, set temp2 and next head and delete temp1. In this case, I am taking an example for this. 3 elements will be there, 10, 15 and 20 will be there, which is having some locations. In that locations, 10 and 15 will be at the end, 20 element will be deleted from the list. This is the same above example, and the last one will be deleted from the list. And deletion from the specific location from the list, you have to specified location. Whenever we seen about on this first one, second one, first one and last one. In this case, a specific location, you choose only specific location from the list. Will 1 2 3 will be remain all same. Keep moving the temp1 until it reaches to the exact node. Whenever you reaches that exact node to be deleted, or to the last node, and every time set temp2 is equal to temp1. You have to set before moving the temp1 to its next node. After that, you have to check if it is reached to the last node, then display. If you reach that node is reached to that last node, then display given node not found in the list. If it is found, it will be executed. Otherwise, it will not found in that list. Deletion not possible, it will test and terminate the function. After that, if it is reaches to the exact node, if it is reaches to the exact node which we want to delete, that check whether list is having only one node. If list is only having one node, temp1 is having that head value only. And if list has only one node and that is the node to be deleted, then set head is equal to null and delete temp value. And after that, if the list contains multiple nodes, if we are taking some list having some multiple nodes, more than 1 2 3 or multiple nodes, then check whether temp1 is the first node in the list. Temp1 is having some head value. And then step 9, if temp is the first node, then set temp is having some head value and keep moving temp to its next node until temp2 reaches to the last node. Then set head is equal to head, that next value, temp2 that next head value, and delete the temp1. In this case, if the temp is not first node, whenever these conditions you observed on this, if the temp is not first node, then check whether it is last node or not. You have to check first. This is check whether whenever the first node is last or not. In this list, temp equivalent to next is equal to head will be there. In this, after that, if temp is last node, if you check that one, if the temp is last node, then set temp2 is equal to head value and delete the temp1. If temp is not first node, whenever you are checking on that temp is not first node and not last node, then set that value. Temp is equal to next, and temp is having some next addressing value of delete the temp1. After that, which is an example for this, I am taking the following figure. 10, 15, 20, 3 elements having there in this, which is having some locations. In this 10 having some location, 15 having some location, 20 having some location. These are connected with the first one list having last one is linked with the first one. This is a circular. In that list, I am taking a in that specific location, I am deleting some element. 15 will be deleted. First one and last one will be there. In middle one specific location, that 15 was deleted from this list. And displaying a circular linked list. How to display a circular linked list? In this, step 1 2 3 will remain same. After that, keep display temp data with and arrow until temp reaches to the last node, which is having last node. keep display, which is having keep display, temp having some data with that, and arrow having temple until you have to arrow, which is indicating arrow until temp reaches to the last node. Finally display temp data with the arrow pointing to the head data. With for example, after deleting 15, whenever we are deleting 15 from this list of 10, 15 and 20, the following figure shows 15 and 10. When I am taking an example for this list, is two lists will be there. One multiple nodes we are having 10, 15, 3 elements having in that list, having a circular linked list. Last one is connected to the first one, and then another example I am taking here, 10 and 20 will be there, that is linked with the 20 to the last node to the first one. In this case I am deleting 10 and 20 will be there. In that 15 from the list of 10 and 10 and 15 and 20. Only the 15 will be deleted in this case at the specific location. And then selection sort. How to do the selection sort in the data structure? We will see on this algorithm to arrange a list of elements in a particular order. Whenever we are doing a selection sort in this algorithm, whenever we are taking some list or elements in a particular order, that is we are arranging ascending or and descending order. Step by step process we are also calling with this process is called step by step process. Select the first element of the list, elements at the first position in the list, which we are elements at the first position in the list. Compare the second element with all other elements. We are comparing the second element, selected elements are, we are comparing the, whenever we are selecting that elements with all other elements in this list only. For every comparison, if any element it's smaller than selected element for ascending order, then these two are swapped. Whenever we are swapping, that are interchanging with the smaller than selected that elements. And then repeat the same process with the next position in the list till the entire list is sorted. Totally the list is sorted with the next position. In this case, consider the following unsorted list I am taking here. In this unsorted list, that list is shown as shown in the figure 15, 20, 10, some like that. I am taking the one list will be there. In that list, some iterations iterations can be done in this. Whenever we are going to do the insertion sort in this, whenever we are checking 15, 20. And 15 is less than 20 greater, 10 less, 30 greater, before the comparisons will be there. This order, whenever we are doing, we want to sorting this order, whenever we are elements are done in this. 15 is greater than 20. Whenever we are taking a one list, 15 is greater than 20, which is a false. That's why I am taking 15, 20, 10, 30 and the remaining all are the same. After that 15 greater than 10 will be there. 15, whenever I am taking 15, the third element I am comparison with this true, which is a true, then swap. You have to swap that one. 15 is replaced, 10 is replaced in the first position, 15 is replaced in third position, and remaining all are the same. And then next position 10 greater than 30, that is a false, and you have to go and say third position, and 10 greater than 50, that is also false, and you have to go another way. Like that you have to check next one 10 greater than like that 5, and then swapped in this 5 is first one, and next one is 10, like that. After that all iterations can be done. This is a 5, 10, 20 like that, like this list after first iteration. In this case I am clearly shown this as thing. First iteration 1 and iteration 2, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 18, 15, 45 will be there. In this the swapping is 5, 10, 15, 30, 50, 20, 18, 45 will be there. These, in this case, I am going to discuss about 15 is interchanged, 18 is interchanged in this location 20. After that 20 is interchanged, and then 30 is interchanged, 50, and like that. All are interchanged. Whenever we are going to compare the comparison of the first element and third element, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, like that, final sorting list will be there. 5, 10, 15. This is the ascending order. 20, 30, 45, 50 will be there. This is the sorting of sorted element. Insertion sort, after that selection sort, after that insertion sort. In this technique, every element moves at the element from the unsorted position to sorted position. Unsorted to which will be go to the sorted element. Unsorted elements we are going to solving the sorting element position. Consider the first element from the unsorted list and insert that element into the sorted list. Example, I am taking unsorted list only. I am taking an example for this unsorted. 15, 20, 30, like that. I am taking some example, which is I am taking two parts. I am dividing in this sorted and unsorted. First element is sorted, and then second total elements are 8 elements are all are unsorted. In the first element I am dividing in two parts. The 15 is first one sorted element, remaining all are the unsorted. First one is next one is 15 and 20, and 2 will be there. I am dividing two parts which are all unsorted, and after that third element sorted, unsorted, and fourth element sorted, unsorted. Whenever I am going to which we are all are the in correct position, that is sorting element. Unsorted means which are not in arranging order. After that unsorted is last one is which is having unsorting element and sorted elements. Unsorted and sorted elements. Whenever we are taking 5, 10 and like that, sorted after sorting elements, 5, 10, 15, 18, 20, 30, 50. Last one is a 45. Last one which we having 50 will be there. That is which is having arranging order, that is sorted or unsorted. In this case we are dividing some parts sorted and unsorted. Then only we are arranging the orders in insertion sort. Difference between the selection sort and insertion sort. In this case, first in the beginning, because few elements need to be moved. Whenever we want to beginning, few elements need to move. Slow down at the end because many moves must be performed. In this, comparisons can be done. First is 1, second is 2, and nth is equal to n minus 1. In the best cases we have to take in all elements are sorted. This is having some principle is there. Order of n. Worst case is last elements are sorted in the inverted order. Order of n2, and average case is order of n2 will be there. This is a comparison in between selection sort and insertion sort. After that, selection sort slow in beginning because many elements need to be compared to the selected that smallest element. Many elements which is having many elements we are sorting in the insertion order. Many steps can be done in this. One is divided, and after that remaining all the unsorted, sorted and unsorted, like that the smallest element compared to the selected element. First in end is because few comparisons are needed. That's why, because best case is order of n2 and worst case is order of n2. Average case is equal to order of n2, and like that the performance is independent from the input, which is having urge, that is performance is independent from this input only. This is the difference in between selection and insertion sort. After that, I am going to discuss about on the topic of AVL tree. In this something I am taking examples, definitions are there. Self-balanced binary search tree, which is having self-balanced binary search tree, which means a binary tree that is balanced, which is having some balanced. Balance means the difference left subtree and right subtree of every node should be either in 0, -1 or +1, which is having every subtree having which node, whenever we are thinking, whenever we take an example for this, every node should be either 0 or -1 or +1. In other words, for every node, highlight of its children differ by at most one. Definition is an ABL tree is a balanced binary search tree, which is a ABL tree is a balanced binary search tree in which balanced factor of every node is either -1, 0 or +1. Discovered by in this something this ABL tree is 1962. G.M. Edelson, Welsky and E.M. Landis, which is covered by this ABL tree, and balanced factor he have given by the balanced factor. Balanced factor is equal to height of left subtree minus height of right subtree, which is given by his. That is, every ABL tree is a binary search tree, but all binary search tree need not to be ABL trees, which is need not to be the ABL trees. Example, this is a tree, binary search tree, and every node is satisfying balanced factor condition, so this tree is said to be an ABL tree, which is having ABL tree. In this case, I am taking here some example balanced tree. This is subtrees will be there 25, 10, 20 like that, which is divided in subtrees. 20 having subtrees, 36 some subtrees. This is about a balanced tree. And ABL tree rotations will be there. Rotation is the process of moving the nodes to either the left or right to make balanced. These are 4 rotation will be there, classified into 3 types: left rotation, right rotation, single rotation having some, double rotation having left right rotation, and right rotation. These are the rotations. L rotation, which we are taking an example balanced factor. Every node moves one position to the left from the current position, which is having some only left position only, which will move to that is balancing 2 from arrow mark indicated, 2 having some 2 subtrees only. In this R rotation, every node moves one position to right from the current position, which is having only expanded with the right only, that is arrows indicated, 2 having some zeros, which is a balancing factor, and 1, 3 will be there only. LR notation, in combination of LL followed by first every node moves to the moves one position to the left, then one position to the right from the current position, which is having some elements will be there. That arrow indicates that right position only, on the position to the right from the current position. In this the right to the 2 balancing factor of zeros, and 2 having 2 subtrees will be there. In this RL rotations having combination of RR followed by LR. In this RLR rotation, first every node moves one position, in which I am taking here every node having one position to the right, then position to the left from to the current position. The above from the above figure I invented this. This list will be there. This is the same thing as the above figure. RL rotation. Then operations on an ABL tree: search, insertion, deletion will be there. Some operations we are having ABL tree: searching, insertion, deletion. In this ABL tree is having some order of log-in performed operations. Time complexity will be there. In ABL tree, new node is always inserted as a leaf node, which is having a leaf node. Then insertion operation is performed as follows. In this insertion having some elements to the tree, some BS tree. Insertion logic and insertion check with the balance factor, and the balance factor having 0, 1 and -1 will be there. ABL tree having inserting numbers from the 1 to 8 will be there. Insertion in ABL tree which is having inserted is balanced, and second step we having two tree is a balanced, which is having balanced, and left rotation is which is having 2, that arrows indicated 1 and 4 will be there. And the tree is balanced, which is 1 and 1 having some balancing factors, and 4 will be there. And then unbalanced performing left rotation, which is taking same above thing of that is tree subtree, 2 having that arrow indicates 2 having 2 subtrees, to that 4 having 2 subtrees. and left notation. In this left notation, unbalanced, which is performing left rotation is unbalanced factor, that is unbalanced factor 0, 0 and -1 will be there as shown in the figure, and performing the left notation as for above figure we invented this following chart. Then this is a tree is balanced, which is having same balancing factor, which is one is having some balancing 2 and 1 will be there, 2 having 2 will be there, and 1 having 2 will be there, 1 having some 1 will be there. This is a tree and is a balanced factor. And then Q is using linked list, which is having Q is nothing but a Q after inserting some these values will be there, that is a front and rear. Q is nothing but we are inserting first in last out will be there. In that I am entering the values will be there front and rear, which is having front, having and rear will be there. Operations on Q is NQ and DQ displays, which is having two ways. We are done in this NQ and DQ, and display 3 operations can be done on Q only. Limited number of elements will be there. By using the arrays only we are doing on this, and then unlimited number of elements will be there by using linked list only. Q is linked list. In list implementation of Q, then the last node inserted is always pointed by the rear only, and the first node is always pointed by the front only. And example I am taking here, which is I am taking same linked list only, that is the front and rear will be there, that is the first element and last element will be there. The 4 elements I am inserting in this. First one is data I am entering in this. Operations can be done in the included all header files and user defined functions, and after that define node with 2 members and data, and next node will be there 2 nodes pointed to the first and rear, and set both as null will be there, and NQ will be there. We are DQ and NQ and display 3 operations can be done in Q. And then create new node with a given value, set new node is equal to next value to the null. Check whether Q is empty. You have to check first. If it is empty, front is equal to new node, that rear having new node. Empty, if it is empty, if it is not empty, rear having some new node. Whenever we are taking on the DQ also, check whether Q is empty. If front is equal to null, if it is empty, DQ is empty, deletion not possible, it will tells. If it is not empty, then defines new node pointer, it will gives to front node. Then the set front is equal to next and delete the temp value. This is the DQ. After that, how to display the Q in Q. Check whether Q is empty. You have to first check first is equal to null. In the Q is empty, after that not empty, that is initialized with the front, and display the temp data and move to the next node. Repeat the same until temp reaches to the temp, and temp is equal to next is not equal to null, and finally display temp data is equal to null, and p sudo you have to follow, and then NQ if null, and same algorithm for this. Front is equal to new node, else if the condition rear is equal to next is equal to new node, rear is equal to new node will be there. DQ will be there. Q is empty, else struct node and start temp front is equal to next value, then delete that element only whenever you want to delete the DQ value, and after that NQ and DQ, after that you have to remaining the values you have to display for using this code. Struct node start temp is equal to null, that Q is empty. After that, else while using the count is equal to temp is the data, temp that next value null, and temp that data. And this is about a Q, telling of Q about how to do the NQ and DQ of and display the Q. These are the things today's sessions I discuss about on these things of NQ and DQ, how to do the linked list, insertion and sortings, and made sortings, how to do the sortings. On this discussing I discussed about on this session. The remaining topics I discussed on next session. Thank you, and watching for this video.